Hey, welcome to Samuira. This is Python beginner tutorial. Today we will discuss statement in Python from the getting started section. Let's get started, guys. A statement in Python is a logical instruction that a Python interpreter can read and execute. There are different types of read statement in the Python programming language like assignment statement, conditional statement, looping statement, etc. A complete statement written in one line is called single line statement. As you can see that age equal to 30 is a single line statement. In Python, the end of a statement is marked by a new line character. But we can make a statement extended over multiple lines with a backslash. This is how we can declare a multi-line statement. So let's run this code, and as you can see that there is no error when we executed this code, and also it printed the summation correctly. Also, there is an alternative way to achieve this without the backslash. Here the surrounding parentheses do the line continuation implicitly. Multi-line can support with brackets in the list comprehension, and braces in the dictionary comprehension, and set. If we want to write a multi-line string, we can use a triple quote instead of a single quote. We use Python assignment statement to assign objects to names. The target of an assignment statement is written on the left side of the equal sign, and the object on the right can be an arbitrary expression that computes an object. Assignment creates object reference instead of copying the object. Decision making is required when we want to execute the code only if a certain condition is satisfied. This is how we can write a conditional statement using the if statement. A loop statement allows us to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. We can use a while loop or for loop to achieve this purpose. We can use a list or any sequence to loop through the items using the for loop like this. As you can see that all the items on the list have been printed here. A code block or body of a if statement, function, loop, class, etc. start with indentation and ends with the first unindented line. The amount of indentation is up to you, but it must be consistent throughout that block. Indentation is a very important concept of Python because without proper indenting of the Python code, you will end up seeing indentation error and the code will not get compiled. Here, the print in if statement has been indented with a tab. The print in the body of function func is also indented. The constructor or init function inside class myClass and print inside init function is indented properly here. An expression is a combination of values, variables, operator, and calls to functions. Expression need to be evaluated. If you ask Python to print an expression, the interpreter evaluates the expression and displays the result. We will discuss comments in Python in the next video. Happy learning, guys.